Welcome to the Pirates. We put videos on this channel all the time, so make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll know every time a video is ready, for good or worse.
Right, making the long trek to the new entrance. This is the new tram area. It is. That's gonna be the new. That's the walkway right now. There's Spaceship Earth. This is the trams. This is as far as they will drop you off and pick you up. So the Regal Legacies are gone on the east side. We've still got them on the west side. Spaceship Earth. It's really weird kind of seeing it empty over here, kind of blank. But it looks like they are going to start getting ready for food and wine. There's a brand new flowers coming in. Alright guys, let's go do this. Alright guys, so once in the next September, I believe is what they said, Art of Disney is going to be closing along with the side of Interventions, getting ready for the new expansion. Alright, this side where Interventions is, where the Fountain View is, Starbucks, the character spot, the Baymax, and inside out characters is all closing, along with the Fountain of Nations. Club Cool will also be closing because it is attached to the Starbucks building. So I'm inside Club Cool and my favorite drink, yes, it is the Beverly, is out at all stations. Pretty sad. Right, so we got some construction walls up right behind Club Cool. Looks like they were still finishing up from Siren, correct? And now I'm heading over to the International Gateway. And I'm going to check out the rose flower garden. That's the walkway because they're supposed to be expanding it. Alright guys, so it looks like they're starting to get ready for food and wine. But there's a lot of construction work going on back there too. As you can see, there's the land. That's the Imagination Pavilion. Over here is where they're working on the new walkway, expanding it. See the jumping waters from over here. Got some earth movers. It looks like the baby arch is already out in its position for tonight's Show of reflections. Alright, so this is some of the Eliminations Farewell merchandise here. Got some mugs, hats, ornaments that we're definitely going to be getting for our tree. Pass holder shirts are available, and the ears that light up. So over here by the promenade stand is some more construction walls. Looks like they go over to the little, where the bathroom area is over here by Canada and the port of entry. Alright, like I said, the walls go all the way over here to the restrooms and the refreshment port.
Welcome to Canada.
Welcome. Food and wine is coming really soon. August 29th through November 23rd. I'm outside the Ireland Pavilion, or the little food cart. It's gonna be exciting. Outside the UK, headed over to France to check out what's going on with the Skyliner and Ratatouille. Alright guys and gals, we are over at the World Traveler port of entry for gonna be the new Sky Coaster. This is also the Yacht Beach Club, waterway traffic, but as you can very well see, there are two Skyway cars on, and that is part of behind the scenes for Ratatouille. That's gonna be part of the queue. Because if you look over here, that is part of the Ratatouille ride. And I am on the bridge going over into France. You know, the iconic area right here. You can get your picture made with the Eiffel Tower in the background. But yeah, so this is what's going on. Let's go take a look even closer. So as you can see, here is the World Traveler building again. There's the Skyway Center. Whoa. There we go. It's got a couple of... But yeah, you can see there's a lot of construction going on over here. Also, this is where Marie used to meet and greet, and it is under scrim. Looks like they are redoing it. Looks like they're redoing the artwork, maybe? Oh. Looks like this purple Skyliner that's up beside the yellow one up here is a Monsters Inc. So, as you can see, way back here past this little lamppost is construction building for the Ratatouille ride. It's going to be right behind the restaurant. It's going to be behind all the shops. And the entrance to the ride is going to be over here, right beside the perfume shop. Right over here. Alright, so yeah, so they are definitely getting ready for food and wine. I'm over here by the Tangerine Cafe, heading over into Morocco, and they are definitely getting ready. Everything's behind scrim. This used to have, I believe, it was a restaurant and a little patio, and the little Belgian shops over here. All right, so we're over here in Japan, and if you come over and you're to the right of the temple, This is the new restaurant. Kind of tucked away, kind of hidden behind everything. Kind of peaceful little area. The other side of it is the shop, and then upstairs is the other restaurant. Our favorite place to watch the fireworks. Over here in Japan, kind of back a little ways so you can see everything. But it looks like, yeah, getting ready for the new show to come out, because the new, looks like new barges. Okay. Yeah, it's got some new stuff out here. So where the Liberty Inn was, is now officially walled off. It's so sad. Now let's check it out. Let's get closer. See what some of this stuff says. Alright. So it says, please pardon our appearance. Liberty Inn is being reimagined for your future enjoyment. I really hope this barbecue's gonna be good. And it looks like they're getting ready for a show, The Guardians of the Galaxy Awesome Mix Live.
Papai tá tirando. Olha lá, olha gente lá, olha lá papai. Olha lá papai.
Alright, House of the Whispering Willows will be closing on July 30th and reopening with a new set on August 2nd. Right now it's got inside the stuff about Shanghai Disney.
There's two people that ride together.
Okay, so this is going to be what our Tron is going to look like. This is what our coaster seats are going to look like for the light cycle. And we're still in Tomorrowland. Oh, check out Mickey riding the Tron coaster. And that is actually a remote control Mickey. That's really cute.
Wow.
Alright, so they have a thing called Treasure Cove, which is like our Adventureland. I like that. That's pretty cool. And that is for the girl, the balloon market. I totally like these costumes. That's really cool. Very authentic looking. Now we're heading over into the Fantasyland section. This is a Alice in Wonderland maze costume. This is part of the voyage to the Crystal Grotto and Peter Pan's flight. They have more for like the Pooh Honey Pot Spin and the Alice in Wonderland maze. Like some of the designs you'll see.
Correct. Yeah, same deal. Oh no, right, we did drinks.
No, like the actual ball.
Oh no, that's not the actual ball.
Yeah, because I'm going to assume that next week when they applied that new rule. Now there's a rule that for lunch or breakfast, you can be reservation to our guests. Even though lunch is still free service pricing, they did reservations.
So this is called Adventure Isle. That's cool ears.
Was that gravestone dragon?
Sweetheart's confection.
So what you have to do is, you know the gravestone dragon Daddy? Always think that stone was made in China, so the gravestone dragon.
Yes. You make a great point.
Get it? Now you know where it's from. Where is it from, Mom? Say it.
Alright, so part of Mickey Avenue is a Silly Something music store, Chippendale's Treehouse. Oh. Looks like Pete is giving haircuts. I don't know if that's a smart idea. Oh, Ludwig von Drake's Fireworks Factory. Oh, the Clip Joint Barbershop features Goofy as the model for various hairstyle options. I don't know if we should go with that one. And now Disney Toon, or Disney Town, which is like their downtown Disney. They have their Funko Pops, their finished ideas, and then we have the resort. So they have a Toy Story hotel. That is awesome. And that is Mickey Minnie Shanghai style. And this is the Shanghai Disneyland Hotel. Adventure Isle, Treasure Cove, Gardens of Imagination, Mickey Avenue, Tomorrowland, and Fantasyland is what makes up Disney Shanghai. Chestack is screaming by. And we got a storm. So here's some shots of the new Space restaurant right now. Got some lights on. Those are going to be pretty huge. So they're saying the entrance to the Space restaurant is going to be right over here through this little entrance and around. We'll see. You kind of see it through there a little bit. There's some more of the Space restaurant building, so we'll see how it is. All right, let's head over to the new Guardians area, Guardians Coaster. There is still the open hole, getting ready for the coaster to go in as they are working on it. Not seeing anything else new going on over here at the old Wonders of Life, which is now going to be called the Disney Play Building. But yeah, still nothing much. There is a little bit of a crane going on over there. With a little ominous sight over here. As I was walking by, test track went down for the rain. So, woo! Since it is pouring out here and I can't go anywhere, I'm gonna go ride Spaceship first. Ooh, it's kind of rough.
Good. Sending photos of the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a brand from the Radiant Spaceship, our plan to sail through the universe of time, and for a brief moment, we have been among its persons. Where copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. The first bathhouses. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, amongst endless books by hand, is about to change. Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Still not rolling.
Promontory, Utah. Stop. 100 to witness the drive of the golden slide.
Number, please. I'm sorry that line is busy. Number, please. One moment.
Today, June 19th, 1928,
Not very expensive computers, but we see the potential. Of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future, the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that blurs with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
Let's just say the ride's empty. It was a walk-on.
And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future.
And give us a thumbs up, and we'll see ya in a theme park.